Feeling stressed out about the constant rush of everyday life? Ever wished you could just hit pause and escape to a place filled with greenery and peacefulness? Well, I found exactly such a place in Bangalore. My name is Imanchi and welcome to Spin the City. This is Jindal Nature Cure Institute, a place where nature, wellness and tranquility come together. Watch this video till the end to know that why you should opt for Jindal Nature Cure. I recently got the chance to visit this beautiful place because one of our relatives was in this course for 15 days. And honestly, I was awestruck by this place. It didn't feel like a hospital at all. It felt more like a peaceful retreat surrounded by nature. So come along with me as I show you around one of the most unique places in Bangalore. So the first thing that caught my attention was just how green everything was. There were trees everywhere, colorful flowers, and this peaceful garden that made me feel instantly more peaceful. As I walked around, I could hear the birds chirping and I could feel the cold breeze. It was hard to believe that I was still in the middle of such a busy city. But Jindal Nature Cure is more than just a beautiful place. Not every disease can be cured with a medicine in a hospital, and those kind of diseases is exactly what Jindal Nature Cure deals with. Founded in 1978 by Dr. Sitaram Jindal, the institute focuses on natural healing and healthy living. People from all over the country come to this place to heal their inner self and bring positive changes in their life. Through therapies like yoga, meditation, physiotherapy, acupuncture, and personalized wellness diet, this place helps people manage their lifestyle-related conditions and focus on their physical, mental, and emotional health. The institute offers various courses and training programs in yoga, naturopathy, nutrition, and holistic health. One of its major educational wings is the Sitaram Jindal Institute of Naturopathy and Yoga Sciences, which offers degree and diploma programs for students who want to build a career in natural medicine and wellness. Students are trained in subjects such as anatomy and psychology, yoga therapy, hydrotherapy, acupuncture, massage therapy, nutrition, and lifestyle management. This institute combines classroom learning with practical experience, allowing the students to understand how natural therapies can help people lead healthier lives. Apart from professional courses, Jindal Nature Cure also conducts wellness camps, health awareness programs, and short-term programs which teach people simple ways on how to manage stress, improve their fitness, and adapt healthy habits. So, in many ways, this place is not just healing people, it is also educating the next generation of wellness professionals and inspiring people to live a more healthier and balanced life. And now one of my favorite parts of this campus was the lake area. It was just so quiet and relaxing, and just seeing the reflection of the trees in the water made the entire place look even more beautiful. There were walking paths all around, plenty of gardens, and a lot of walking spaces, where people can simply sit and enjoy the surroundings. If you're someone who loves nature, then you will definitely appreciate the peaceful atmosphere over here. Honestly, it's one of those places where you don't feel the need to rush. You just want to slow down and enjoy the moment. Now, what makes Jindal Nature Care special? Now, whether you're looking for a break from the city hustle or simply curious about Bangalore's one of the most unique places, and so if you're ever in Bangalore and you're looking for a quiet escape from the city's hustle, this is definitely a place worth visiting. Thanks for watching. See you in another place in another video. And please do comment down any suggestions that you have for our video. See you next time. Bye.